Welcome to this episode of Digital Sorcery Studios' ongoing quest. In this episode, we'll be talking about project updates and disclosures. We came up with the start date for the project as far as the programming of the Dark Magic version. That's going to be on October 31st, Halloween night. Same as it was 3 years ago to this day when I had programmed the prototype. Now, I take signs very seriously. If you can see, this is what we got for a present here. 3 black babies and a milk mustache. Yeah. And that's why we're having it on Halloween night. So we got all kinds of safety here. Okay, second disclosure. Having to do with Digital Sorcery Studios being in possession of a neural net we had written back in, about 2005 or something. And it sits on the classified computer and it was never used for anything. But during the past week, I've been going to math class on YouTube. And back in advanced chemistry, I had done equation transpositions and stuff like that. And we have different kinds of transformations for physics and stuff like that. But I should be able to grasp it fairly well. I've already come up with like a tentative list of things that I can do with the neural net, like having the program be able to recognize the person that it is just by the patterns of their speech, for one. Disclosure number 3. Disclosure of the package. The package is a work that's being done to document the original prototype documents that made up the original extracranial intelligence program. The original documents, the coding for the prototype itself, the coding for the Dark Magic version upgrade, and all of Autonomic's memories are going to be in the package. And if anything should happen, this redundant backup will be there, and so you can't make it go away, and we're going to do it one way or another. Okay, disclosure number 4. The deadline. The deadline has to do with the original intent of the YouTube channel, which is attracting this well-moneyed investor that's going to make all this happen. There are plans to do other things, like possibly start a GoFundMe page for this. I understand there's something like Patreon or something like that, and other avenues that can be explored to get this funding to make this program. So the deadline is tentatively set for October 31st. So if you are a well-moneyed investor and you see this, time is drawing short. And the baby's fighting. Can't make it any better. Yeah. You babies. There's Milk Mustache. He's got his own teeth. He gets the front teeth. The light's more natural.
It's Miss Tuffy. She's the mama kitty.